Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your digital life easier. Today, we're tackling something super straightforward: how to change your Cash App debit card PIN for 2025. Whether you're beefing up your security after a recent update or just forgot your old PIN, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the Cash App installed on your smartphone and that you're logged into your account. It's always a good idea to be in a secure location when handling your financial details. Once you're in, tap on the profile icon. That's usually in the top right or bottom right corner, depending on your app version. Next, scroll down through your profile settings until you find the Debit Card or Bank section. This is where you'll manage your card details. Tap on that and look for an option that says Change PIN or something similar. Cash App might prompt you to verify your identity here, like entering your current PIN or using biometric authentication for added security. Now, for the fun part, enter your new 4-digit PIN. Make it something memorable but not obvious. Avoid birthdays or simple sequences to keep hackers at bay. You'll need to confirm it by typing it in again. Once that's done, hit Submit or Confirm, and voila! Your PIN should be updated instantly. If you run into any issues, like an error message, double-check your internet connection or try logging out and back in. Remember, Cash App is all about quick transactions, so this whole process should only take a minute or two. There you have it, folks. Changing your Cash App debit card PIN for 2025 is as easy as pie. Stay safe out there, and if this video helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more handy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.